At first glance, this letter from Mop-Free Insurance about a data breach that happened this past July appears routine, apologizing, offering credit protection, and explaining what information was revealed. In this case, driver's license numbers and vehicle information. But it's far from routine for this man.
What hit me on this one is that I've never dealt with Mop-Free before.
That's right, he's never been a Mop-Free customer.
I've never gave them data. I didn't give them authorization to get my data. And then I got a letter out of the blue saying that they have driver's license numbers, vehicle identification numbers, and whatever else. And it's a company that I never dealt with, and I never gave them any authorization for this.
So we asked Mop-Free to explain how this could happen. The company says an unknown actor who already had a list of names, addresses, and dates of birth used Mop-Free's website to simulate auto insurance quotes. And as part of that process, Mop-Free spits back out an individual's driver's license number and vehicle info to whomever asks for a quote. In this case, it was the unknown actor.
Sort of speechless about that, because that really does blow my mind.
The company says it also divulged information to the unknown actor about people who had lived at a given address in the past.
Sure, the consumer was shocked. Anybody would be shocked. What in the world is going on here?
Barbara Anthony has fought for consumer protections at both the state and federal levels, and as Undersecretary of Consumer Affairs, oversaw the implementation of Massachusetts data privacy law.
There is a law in Massachusetts that protects your personal information, even if a company has it and you don't know about it.
2 lawsuits were just filed in Boston over this, accusing Mop-Free of negligence, saying the company intentionally failed to implement any security protocols.
I don't understand why a company is acquiring information that it can get directly from the consumer from other sources.
The Massachusetts data law doesn't provide specific penalties to a company determined to be responsible for a data breach. But Anthony says the Attorney General can seek damages under the state's consumer protection law of up to $5,000 per occurrence, although she doesn't believe that's ever happened. She'd also like to see Washington show it's serious about protecting our personal information.
That's a very sad state of affairs for this country, that we have no overall federal law protecting consumers' privacy.
In a statement, Mop-Free told us the same thing that's in that letter to consumers. It regrets the breach, took down its online quoting system when it was discovered, and is investigating. It's a good reminder you've got to vigilantly check your financial statements, get your free credit report several times a year, and consider freezing your credit. I'll put links to do all that in this story on our website. In the newsroom, I'm Ben Simoneau, WCVB News Center 5.